for the percent, it says the is over the of is equal to the percent over 100. I carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. You said that backwards. That is correct. This is why I say this is the key. You have to know that your equal is your is.
My name is Trinette Green. I am the GED instructor for the Anointed Ones for Pitt Community College. I have been teaching here at the Anointed Ones for the past 4.5 years. Overall, teaching together, it's been 14 years. This program here at the Anointed Ones has been an excellent program. We have had great success with a number of students that have graduated in the past 4 years. We have had a total of 20 students that have graduated out of this program from the Anointed Ones. Without the assistance of the church, without the assistance of Pitt Community College and the partnership that they share, this would not be a success. I'm grateful for Apostle Peterson for allowing the program to occur here on their campus. I'm grateful for all that you have done to assist us in our program and making sure that the students as well as myself are warm, we're well organized, and everything just really goes well. I can pray that this program continues to go on, that the partnership that Pitt Community College has with this church continues to go on.
Ms. Green is a great teacher. She stands by us with whatever we're going through, but most of all, she's there. She does a great job teaching us, assisting us in our needs. She picks them out. She gives us extra homework. She gives us tests where she knows we're having trouble with. She's just a great teacher. She gives you your telephone number. You can call her at any time. She makes herself available to us. And with the small class like we have individual, everybody's at their individual pace. So she's got to run 1, 2, 3. She's got 3 shops set up out here. We all work as a team. We all help each other, but most of all, we couldn't do it without Miss Green and the Anointing Ones who allows us to use this building that we're very appreciative. It's nice and clean, and the people are very generous here. We enjoy our teacher, and she's taken me a long way. I've been trying to get this a long time, and she's the first teacher that's helped me I got one more test to go, thanks to my teacher. I appreciate her, and I appreciate the Anointing Ones. Thank you, Miss Green, for all you do for us. We love you.
Miss Green is a wonderful teacher. She always helped me out. She's like a mother. She stayed on me, and I'm just proud to be Miss Green's student. That's all I can say. Thank you very much.